Okay. Okay. Am I audible, visible online, folks? Please quickly confirm. Am I audible, visible clearly? Okay. Thank you for the quick confirmation. Good morning, everybody. Louder. Good morning. So, as part of our previous session, we have discussed about the first program of the Java. And we have understood very well that from dependency, independency, JDK, JRE, JVM, all of them, one simple question. Suppose being a user of the Java application, what should I download? Being a user of the application, what should I download? JDK or JRE? Why not JDK? JDK will consist runtime environment along with development tool, and these development tools are unnecessary. They'll not be useful for the end user, right? So development kit should be used for developers. Am I right? So being a developer, what should I download? JRE, JDK or JVM? JDK. Agree? Anyway, only JVM you cannot download. Either you can download JRE or the JDK. We have downloaded JDK. And if you would have seen in the installation time, within the job folder, there are two folder comes. One come JDK, one come JRE. So both the things we are getting. Are you getting my point? Are you all comfortable? Everybody, online folks? Everybody comfortable? Till your installation is also done for online folks? Everything sorted? Quick response, guys, faster. Come on. And over here, except couple of people, rest all of you have done, and things are working. Can I expect that you would have done yesterday's program practice? All of you have done it? No confusion? Able to execute the code? Things are working fine? Confirm. Sure? Any issues are coming? We'll discuss after the class. You show me your issue. Over here, online folks, how about you? Would you able to install, able to execute your first program of Java? Faster? Oh, great. Okay. Everybody, quick response, please. Faster. Bhavna. Venkatesh. Lakshmi. Sai Preeti. Okay, came. Sanjay, Swati. Vanilla. Faster response, guys. Okay, things are working fine. So if you don't mind, shall we start working on next set of programs? Okay, now I will request you to show me what we have done yesterday. Can you just help me? So we wrote a program where starting with class uppercase, lowercase. You will be telling wherever uppercase. Then what is the program we used yesterday? Today, second thing. Okay. Say rather than second program, since we are talking about we are learning how to print things on the console. As a console means that black color screen, whatever CMD comes. As part of output, we are trying to just learning how to print something on the console, right? So can I say print demo, if you don't mind? Can I? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Print demo, sir. Okay. First thing, open the class. Then louder, public, static, all lowercase, void, main, string lowercase, uppercase string, very good. Then this square brackets, then space args, closing bracket, then semicolon. No semicolon. Online folks, along with me, please. Okay, semicolon will not be there. After this, next line, open the method, curly bracket, one. Then system s lowercase, uppercase, uppercase. System dot lowercase of print and which bracket? Parenthesis. Perfect. Open the parenthesis. Within the parenthesis, what do I need to say? Within the pair of double quotes, what am I going to write? Okay, sir. Within the pair of double quotes, whatever you want to print, that you should be writing it here. What did we write yesterday? Hello world. Done. And then close the bracket. Mandatory. Okay. Done. After this, closing curly braces, only one, two required. That's it. Am I right? And when I have written this much program writing is done, then what do I do? Then I should be saving this program with some name. What is the name of the program I should save as? Print. Now, printed demo or first program? Yesterday we wrote first program. Whatever is the class name, accordingly save the file. Am I right? What is the name? Print demo .java. Done, sir. So can I say my file has been considered? This is a file which has been saved with this. Okay, na? Agree? Online folks, are you all comfortable till here? Quick confirmation, please. Faster. Respond quick. Array, am I audible or not? Little slow. Okay, great. So one basic thing, a basic skeleton of a program. Start with the class, and name of the class must start with the uppercase and follow something called, what is this called? Camel case. That means first letter of every word must start with the uppercase. Agree? It is called camel case convention of writing class names. Agree? So can I say in Java program, if anything is starting with the uppercase, then it should be a name of a verb. Are you with me? Listen very carefully. In Java, if anything is starting with the uppercase, then it should be a name of a class. Agree? Because as per the recommendations, whenever you are writing your class name, that should start with the uppercase. Agree? Am I clear? If my class name have multiple words, then say for example, my class name is print my first program in Java. Are you getting my point? Say I want to save my name, my class name as my first program in Java. This is the name I need to save. Is this the way should I save the class name? Is this the way should I save the file name? Then what should I do, sir? You should not give the spaces between anywhere, one, and always any word must start with the uppercase. These lower case are not recommended. Am I right? So can you please help me write the correct name? This time I will write M capital, Y lowercase, without space, F, very good, F capital, then I, R, S, T lowercase, then without space, P capital, very good, without space, P capital, then program, I also capital, okay, chalo, I capital. Oh, without space, fine. Without space. Then Java also capital, J capital, or can I write it this way? No, this is not a recommended approach. Only the first letter should be in uppercase, remaining should be in lowercase. Am I right? So can I say this should be the name of my class as well as the file name? Am I clear? Why like this? That whatever is the class name, same name as you have to save. We will discuss. Wait for a few days when we talk about a topic called packages. At that time, you'll understand the details. Why are we doing it? Although there is no hard and fast rule. You can save with some other name. You can execute, I mean, you can class name something else. You can say with some other name also you can do it, but not a recommended approach. There are issues will be there, we'll discuss. Okay, now, but as of now, we understood one thing. Whatever is our class name, that is our file name. As it is. As it is it okay that class name I wrote it this way, print demo, and here I say this way? Is that okay? No, not recommended. It is recommended. Whatever case convention you have followed there, same should be used while saving the file name as well. Am I right? Done? Everybody comfortable online, folks? Quick confirmation, please. All of you are clear? Fast. Crystal clear? Fast. Everybody has to respond, guys. Fast. Only few people are responding. What about others, guys? Where is the energy today? Faster. Chaliye. So I hope this is clear. Okay, sir. Now the point is, while writing the class name, that is clear to us. This one line is absolutely clear. Opening curly braces must be there. Everything within the pair of this curly braces only will be there. And this skeleton, this line, as of now we are writing as it is. Whereas everything is in lowercase except the S of the string. Agree? Rest everything remains in lowercase. For time being, we will follow the same whatever is written as it is in the same sequence also. If public static void is there, we will follow the same. We will see the combination when we start understanding about public, static, void, and details when we get into it. Then we'll start playing around with the combinations. Okay, now? Louder. Okay. This much is clear. And this curly braces must be there. And what is this called? Read with me. What is this? System dot out dot print. Consider this is a pen as of now. If you need to write something on the console, we will be making use of a pen in Java, nothing but system dot out dot print. Am I clear? And inside the pair of parentheses within the double quotes, whatever is written as it is will be written over the output. Am I right? As an output, whatever is written within the pair of double quotes, that will come. In this case, there is space allowed. Must be following camel case convention or not? What if I write with the lower case? What if there is some spelling mistake is there? Hell world. Then Panda is simple. Whatever you write, take it, put it on the output. That's all. You write whatever you want, whichever way you want. Spelling mistake, case sensitivity, insensitivity, do whatever you want. Here you do whatever you want. There is no. Rest of the things must be intact. Am I clear? Okay, sir. Shall I say this much portion is no confusion for us? Agree? Agree? Okay, sir. Now I'll explain you the execution way, how the execution process, and we will proceed further with that. Now pay attention. Sir, consider this is your, what is this? A computer where you wanna execute the code, right? And consider this is your console screen. Console screen, you understand? Black color screen is there. After opening command prompt, what comes is nothing but technically command prompt. I mean, general words, it's command prompt. But for programmers like us, we call it console, where we were gonna show the output. Okay, now listen carefully. Consider this is the console screen now. Okay, in this console screen, first thing, what do we write is a command. After writing the program, I'm saying whatever program we wrote, this program we have to give an input to somebody called, whatever source code we write, that source code will be given as an input to the compiler. Compiler will compile if there is no error in our program. In that case, after successful compilation, bytecode will be generated. Respond, please. Okay, bytecode will be generated. And then that bytecode will be further processed for the execution. Am I right? Now, this source code I wrote it, done, saved with the .java name, perfect, done till here. This should be given as an input to whom? Compiler. In order to invoke the compiler, command is java c. Java compiler is nothing but command for is Java C. And whichever file you want compiler to process and generate the bytecode, that file name followed by the extension. What does it mean? This is the file name. After dot whatever is there is the extension. Am I right? This is nothing but the name of the file. Am I right? And this is nothing but the extension of the file. Hope you are clear with me, guys. Okay, na? This exact file name followed by the extension must be given to the Java compiler. What do I write, sir, now? Print demo dot Java. And this symbol you understand? Symbol of the enter. What do you, after typing all this, what do you do? Enter. If provided, if you have not done any mistake over there, program will be compiled successfully. If program compilation is done successfully, then a bytecode will be generated. Am I right? That bytecode, whichever has been generated, should be given as an input to the JVM. Java is the command for that. Okay, na? JVM will process. To invoke JVM, what is the command? Now your answer is the Java. We will not type JVM here. Okay, na? We will type Java. And just the name of the dot class file. Because see, after this compilation, what would have been generated? Perfect. It would be generated print demo dot class. This file would have been generated. And this time we will not give the file extension. We will give only the file name. Am I right? Coincidentally, our source code name and bytecode name, as of now, it is same. Okay, na? So we'll give the name of it. What is the name, sir? Print demo. Okay. Case sensitive. Case sensitive means same case I have to give whatever case is there over here. Yes. Yes. While giving this file name, you must follow the case whatever is being used. Am I clear? So class name, source code name, bytecode name, same at both places. And here dot class should not be written. Many people, beginners especially, when they start coding into the Java, one of the common slippery point is they end up writing Java C here. One mistake. Second mistake, they end up writing dot class or dot Java here while executing. Both should not be done. Java space bytecode name only without the extension. Am I clear? Agree? Then what do I do, sir? Once again, hit enter. As soon as you hit enter, what will happen? JVM will be invoked. What will happen? Oh, is it out of the context? Wait a minute. JVM will be invoked. I hope it's visible now. And now the point is JVM will start executing our program. Am I right? This is what we have seen. JVM will start executing our program. From where? Pay attention. This name is a method in Java. We are not sure what is methods, but in couple of days, I mean, probably next week, we'll start about a topic called methods in Java. That time you'll understand everything about it. But time being, anything in Java which has parenthesis. Parenthesis, you understand? Agree? So anything which has parenthesis is nothing but a method in Java. What is method? We will discuss. Few days only. Okay, na? Agree? Am I clear? So anything which is having parenthesis is nothing but a method in Java. I am not getting response from online folks. Guys, you have to be responding. Every day I can't be repeating. Come on, try to understand. Unless you interact, you will not gonna pay attention to the class. And since you're attending class, for a few minutes, can't you pay attention? You have to be sincere with what you're learning, guys. Come on, faster response. Are you there? Online folks. Faster. Come on, everybody. Priya, Nilofa. Faster. Swati, Yusuf. Faster response, guys. Good. And I expect frequent responses. Okay. Now the point is, I have compiled the code. I have executed the code. The moment execution start, who will be invoked? Who will start processing? JVM will start. Invoke means start processing. Agree? JVM will start processing. JVM always start from one place. That place is nothing but our main method. Am I clear? JVM will always start processing from the main method. So can I say, in other words, main method is an entry gate for the program execution. From here, the program execution start. Are you with me, everybody? And in few systems, initial days, you may have an issue that your code is not working. After this, it will say main method could not found or something. If that is the case happening, I'll write a command. This is optional command. For few system, you should write set class path equal to opening double quotes, closing double quotes. That's all. And hit enter. That's all. Then re-execute, your code will work. Are you with me? Done. That's all. Okay, now. So the point is, as soon as program execution start, main method will be invoked. Agree? And as part of the first statement of the main method, what is the first statement you are telling? Sir, we are using a pen of Java. Are you getting my point? System.out.print is a way to print something on the output. Are you getting my point, everybody? Online folks, are you clear? System.out.print is to print something on the console as an output. Are you getting my point? Okay, sir. This we are calling. We are saying, I want to print something. What do you want to print? I am telling within the pair of parentheses, within the pair of double quotes, whatever is written. Whatever written ante, whatever is written between the pair of double quotes, this much. Hello world. Whatever is there. Grammatical mistake, syntactical mistake, or what do you call spelling mistake is there, or say case insensitivity, whatever is the scenario. Take it as it is. Print as the output. Am I clear? That is the job of what? Print system.out.print method. Am I clear? Agree? Sir, what is the outcome will come now? Hello world. And yesterday you might not have paid attention, but as soon as this printing will be done, now we will pay attention. As soon as this printing activity done, whatever was written within the pair of double quotes, I have printed. Then after this, cursor would be blinking somewhere here at the same line. I mean, there is no new line will come. Are you getting my point? There is no new line will come. What is the proof? I'll show you that today itself. That is the main agenda today. Today we will see, because yesterday some people were selling, sir, print ln. I was writing print. We'll see why print and why print ln. When to use print, when to use print ln. Okay, now? Shall I proceed? Okay, sir. So funda is this print method. Print the text, whatever is written within the double quotes, and remains at the same line. Am I clear? Agree? And once this much is done, control will see. Is there anything else to execute after this line within the main method? No, sir. Then control will step out of the main method and goes back to where it came from. That is to JVM. And JVM will shut down. So program execution completely done. Am I clear? Everybody? Shall I proceed, guys? All of you clear, online folks? Quick. Louder, faster. Chaliye. So I hope this program you have already made a note of it. Nothing much is there in that, except one line. Now, if at all, this printing statement, whatever has been printed on the same line, and cursor is blinking here. Now this time, if I ask something else to print, is it going to print on the same line or the next line? That is what we need to check. Are you getting my point? So if I need to say, shall I wipe this a little bit? Okay, now here I'll say, within the pair of double quotes, I'll say are you getting my point? What I said? Hello world and goodbye. If control is blinking on the same line, if at all control is blinking on the same line, after this printing statement, control is blinking on the same line. In that case, I am asking once again what? Print something which is there in the pair of double quotes. Agree? So don't you think printing will start right from here only? Wherever control is there, are you getting my point? Wherever it is blinking, from there that point only it will start printing. Am I right, everybody? So don't you think it will come something like hello world without space, goodbye. Everything should come in same line. Shall we check it? Shall we execute and check it once? Very good, Nilofer Sheikh. Super. You're one step ahead. I'm highly appreciating that. Great. Let's get started. Perfect, Gopi Chand. Print statement, system.out.print is the method which print and after printing stays on the same line. Print, system.out.print prints the text given in double quotes, prints the text given in the double quotes as it is. Prints the text given in the double quotes, hope you, yeah, okay, and stays on the same line. Prints the text as it is, sorry, prints the text as it is, prints the text as it is, and stays on the same line. No, Gopi Chand, wrong assumption you have, man. We will discuss, man. I mean, guys, println we will discuss. Let me talk about print. Then I'll explain you, then you conclude, okay? I mean, one student is telling that println will start printing code, whatever text you are giving from the next line. Wrong assumption. We will see that. Okay, na? So as of now, you wrote print, prints the text and then as it is and stays on the same line. Am I right? Agree? This much is done? Okay, sir. Now, shall I wipe the board? Agree? Or want to make a note of it? Almost same thing is there except one line. Nothing much. Shall I wipe the board, online folks? Shall I wipe it? Online folks? Okay. Okay, then let me share screen. I hope the screen is visible to online folks. Quickly confirm in chat, please. I want each and everybody to respond without fail, guys. And can I expect that you will help me how to write the code now? Shall we start? Okay, sir. Tell me. Class, our print, no, first thing over. Na? Today's printed demo. Class name is? Okay, take it, print. Okay, you want uppercase, huh? Take it. Array, you are only telling uppercase. I wrote uppercase, no? Camel case you are telling. So now do you understand the difference between the lowercase, uppercase, and we should write in camel case. Okay. Array, you told camel case, now I wrote camel case, then still. Are you sure what you are asking or not here? Huh? Whatever whatever I'm writing, you are saying wrong. Camel case without space. Class name must be in camel case without space. Write down. Bullet point. Very good, online folks. Thank you. Class name must be written in camel case without space. Class name must be written in camel case without space. Must be written in camel case without space. Camel case without space. Done. Focus now. Next. Pardon? Open the curly brackets, and since I have already done the auto completion, I hope all of you also have done it yesterday. How do I do it if not done? Can you please help me? Go to settings, go to preferences. Over here, there is an option comes auto completion, and these options, which options? All these options must be marked as all these 6 options must be enabled. Am I clear? Okay. Let's get started. Okay. Next. What do I do, sir? Public static void main capital string. Am I right? Then array of args, and then open a curly brace once again. Am I right? And did you observe one thing? Class is at one indentation. You understand? Left and I am writing class at one indentation level, method at another indentation level. If I'm printing something, I'm doing it another indentation. Is it recommended to do so, or shall we write everything? Mandatory, I recommend, highly recommended. As of now, see, 1 or 2 lines we are printing, nothing much we are doing it. Wait for couple of weeks, hardly 2 weeks and all. You will be writing codes like hundreds of lines, not 1 or 200. 700-800 lines of code I'll make you write. And I like the silence in the class. And your expression, 700-800 lines of code. Wait, let me complete basic. If you had heard something called if you heard, if else, perfect. Let me complete that topic. By that time you will write, I am giving you a task, be ready. That much level of proper coding we will do. And must say, you will enjoy the task. It's not a challenging, very easy things are there. By now, till now, do you feel something super complicated, or nothing, right? There also, every topic will ensure your confidence will be inspired. No matter how much bigger the challenge I give, you will be even more excited to do, provided you're confident about it. Bringing confidence is my job, boss. You focus on what I'm telling. Shall we start? Okay, then what do I need to type here? Okay, take it, system.out. You should tell. Okay, system.out.print within the pair of parentheses, within the pair of double quotes, whatever you write. Whatever I write, we will check this combination also. As of now, whatever was there as it is, we will write it. Then we will see the combination. Then semicolon, is it mandatory? Yes. And while saving the code, what do I do, sir? Copy the class name. Before saving, ensure you go to this place and use your, I'm placing in one place. You find that your right place. V stand for you, Java SRC, not SRS. Okay. Then type the class name. No, don't type. Within the pair of double quotes, paste it, dot Java extension. Double quotes recommended, huh? Mandatory? Not mandatory, but recommended. See, few things are rule, few things are suggestions, recommendations. So recommended to write in double quotes with the class name dot Java, hit enter, done. Now, how do I execute the code? Best, go to this place at the tab, right click, open into CMD. Am I right? Command prompt will be opened, and I'll increase the font size for you people. I hope this is visible now. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. And let me clear the screen. CLS. Okay, done. Agree? Now, what do I need to do, sir? First, I need to execute the code. Am I right? Yes or no? I need to execute the code. Are listen to what I'm telling. Don't directly execute. If I directly execute, nothing will happen. Shall I try? Say Java print demo. Read. Could not find or load main class. Where is the class which has main method? Are you getting my point? That is the reason. First, we should compile Java C print demo dot Java. Hit enter. If everything is correct, compilation will be done. After compilation, dot class will be generated, and we have already seen dot class file yesterday. Yeah, yes, I'll show you once again. By the way, is there anybody who joined the class for the first time? Is there anybody? Online folks? Okay, sir. This is the dot class file, right? And is it human readable file? It is an intermediate level language. Neither human can read nor machine can read. Only one person can read. JVM. Perfect. Let me do one thing. For time, just to show you. Read it. Visible? This is the file all about. Visible, na? I hope you understand these pipe symbols meaning very well. What does it mean by this pipe symbol and this arrow? God knows. What is this symbol all about? This is a file which will be read by the JVM. We are least bothered. We are focusing on compilation process. Compilation is done successfully. Next is what? Now, command also expected from online folks to respond in chat. Next command, be ready. What is the command? Java, uppercase, lowercase, Java, print demo. Dot, no dot, nothing. Sit, hit enter. This is the issue initial days you will get in some system. If this issue comes, what should we say? Set class path equal to opening closing double quote. That's all. And if I need to type once again, rather than that, do a mouse up arrow. So previous command. One more up arrow, previous command. One more up arrow, command for compilation. Execution. I want to execute, right? So hit enter. Am I clear? But till here, everybody, we have done it yesterday. All of your 100% comfortable. See, I'm purposely going damn slow so that people, those who are learning for first time, they should feel comfortable. Those who have already learned, champions of CSIS, experts, geniuses, extraordinary people, wait for a few days. Okay, na? CS, na? Very good. Same. You have done Java before, na? You also? Very good then. I'm teaching only for you. Focus. Point is, those who are learning for first time, they should not feel difficulty. For them, I'm going damn slow. Once all of us are on the same ground, then I'll ensure that all of your understanding, everything basics are done. Then we'll little faster win. What is the point of Katakat complete the syllabus? Nobody is understanding. And what is the point of always going like a tortoise or a snail speed? Then this course will take years of time to complete, no? Right? I'll ensure your comfort zone is there, and also I'll ensure that you don't feel like a boring class. Only two lines he showed us. Initial days, nothing. Okay, na? Online folks, are you all clear? Shall I proceed? This is till yesterday we have done. Half an hour went into this only. Shall I proceed? Faster, everybody has to respond. But hardly a couple of people are responding. Girls, where are your responses? All the girls. See, now started. Okay. Sir, we have seen, I want to write once again, system.out.print of what? Goodbye. Done? Am I right? Now, whatever I have done it. Now, shall I need to compile again or directly execute? Directly execute because compilation was already done, right? Agree? I have cleared the screen first of all. Hold on. Shall I compile or directly execute? Directly execute. We'll follow your instruction, Anna. Whatever you are telling, we will do it, all of you. But since I am doing it for first time, what if I directly execute without compilation? Any problem? Do you have any problem if I try once? I want to try. Whatever it works or not, but can I try at least with your permissions? Allowed? Arey, yes or no? Chalo. How do I execute fatafat? Java print demo. Done. Hit enter. No difference. Reason, I have not compiled. And rule, whenever you write any changes, into your source code, first you must compile, then you execute. You let me teach. Okay. What you are telling, I will also tell the same thing. But a little weird here, what to do? I'll come to your point also. First, whenever you write something, if you directly execute, there is no point. You have to compile, then only you're gonna be able to execute it. Agree? Am I clear? So first compile. How? Java C print demo dot Java. Hit enter. After compilation, I should say execute Java print demo. I want louder responses, guys. What is the command? Java print demo. And what's wrong with online folks? Where are your responses? You are supposed to telling me. Come on. No changes, sir. Oh, most important thing. This red color icon means file is yet not saved. So, as per the thumb rule, what you are telling, whenever you make changes into the source code, first save. After saving, without compilation, if you execute, there is no difference. After saving, you mandatory must compile. After compilation, you must execute. Agree? So the step is clear. Whenever you make any changes to any source code, first save the source code. Second, compile the source code. Then you execute the bytecode, updated bytecode. Agree? Chaliye. Can I say now I have saved the code? Louder. Yes. After saving, I like neat and clean things. Whatever is done, over. So I clear the screen. Okay, na? Now what do I do, sir? Next, Java Java. By the way, did you observe something? Once I have copied the print demo, everywhere I'm simply saying right click to paste it, and I hit a tab. .class.java will. Agree? Hit compilation is successful. If I execute Java print demo, hit enter. This time, if you observe, same line coming without space also. Sir, at least let it be on same line, but give one space. Two ways. First, after world D, give a space here. Save. Are you getting my point? Save it, and then ensure you compile, then execute. Oh, my bad. Sorry, typo. Then compile and execute. Can you see? Space is coming. Am I right? Sir, other way, I don't want to give a space here. Then your intelligence. Backslash and will bring to the next line. On the same line, I want a space. But I will not give any space after D of world. Online folks, very good, Nilofer. Read everybody there only. What is the solution? Perfect. Before the G of good, give a space, then save, mandatory. Save, then after saving, what's next? Louder. Compile, then execute. You can be keep typing S for saving, C for compiling, E for execution. Online folks, because I'll be going at a high speed, so you can be using. Very good. Those who are saying in response, thank you. I hope this is clear. Agree? But sir, point is actually no, we wanted things on next line. What do we wanted? This as one line, this as next line. Okay, now. By the way, I mean there is a assumption that print ln means next line, then print something. First bring the context to the next line, then print something. Am I right? Agree? So can I say I have printed this much? First method, first instruction for printing is system.print of hello world. And next instruction, what you are telling? System.print of goodbye as of now. Agree? Louder. I say, what if I make this as println? Second option. Second option means this one rather than print. If I say this should be print ln. So as per the assumption, which is actually a myth, I'll clear the myth. What is that? Print this, and then because of println, control will come to the next line, and then print the goodbye. Am I right? Agree? This is what the assumption. Am I right? Okay. So let's. I will get Nagendra. I'll come to that also, man. Today only. Let's compile. Let's execute. Oops. And if you observe now, there is a new line after the goodbye. Are you getting my point? So what does print does? Print the text given inside the double quotes and stays on the same line. Print ln does what? First it will print. See, print ln. Ln means line next. Agree? First, what is print or ln? First is print. Let's print whatever is there given. After that, move to the next line. So it's not before. It's always after printing. Am I clear? So in that case, is it recommended to write println here? No, not required. What do I write? Where do I write? Make first one as println. Am I right? And then save it. Then compile and then execute. Now, can you see? And there is no additional line also coming now. Are you getting my point? Why additional line is not coming? Because second is not println. Are you getting my point? Everybody, we have done programming, but never paid attention to the details. Everywhere we have been typing println. And what if I write println here as well now? What if? Then what will happen? One additional line will be kept as blank. Do you see? One additional line is coming as blank. Am I right? I hope you are pretty much clear with the difference between print method as well as the print ln. Print you already wrote. Side heading. Yes. Print ln. It is a method to print something on console and it is a method to print something on console, and after printing the text, print something on console, and after printing the text, print something on console, and after printing, it brings the control to the next line. It brings the control to the next line. After printing, it brings the control to the next line. After printing, it brings the control to the next line. Am I clear? Done. And there is a word is there called after. Double quotes, underline, highlight, whatever you want. After, not before. Am I clear? All of you are comfortable between print and println? Shall I move to the next combinations now? Online folks, quickly confirm. Online folks, faster. Are you ready? Comfortable? Everybody has to respond, guys. Faster. Oh, do you want me to keep taking your names every time? Sai Preeti, what's wrong with you today? Faster. Gopi, are you there? Lakshmi, Nikita, Nagendra. Where are you guys? Are you guys busy with the mobile? You have to be keep responding, guys. Suhas, no response at all. Faster, I need. Listening class, sir. Anna, Gopi, along with listening, you have to keep typing also, na? Nikita, Nasreen, Rashmi. Okay, let's get started. So shall I move to the next topic now? Print and println, nothing much is there. Sir, print method, println stays on the same line. Println after printing, not before. After printing, move to the next line. Done. Shall I move to the next program? And there is a keyboard shortcut to open a new file into the notepad. Control N. Control N. Control plus N to open a new file. Okay, now I said Control N. Now here I need to talk about a topic called escape sequences. Escape sequences. I'll type it. Don't worry. Escape sequences in Java. Are you comfortable this way also now? If I explain topic this way with the program, is that comfortable? I'll explain you. If you have any issue, feel free to raise concern. I'll explain on the board and then I'll come back. I have no issues in that. Okay, pay attention. First thing is what? Sir, what is this double quote, double line you wrote, double slash? If you don't want anything, any of the text written in your program to be processed further by the compiler or the execution time, you don't want that to be coming as part of your program instruction, then you can mark double slash. This becomes the comment. And let me tell you, comments are always in a green color. Whenever in a source code, if anything which is in green color in Notepad++ I'm talking, okay na? Then it means a commented text is there. Okay, so what I do, sir? Class escape. Tell me, escape sequences demo. Can you see the name? Escape sequences demo. Let there be any lengthy name. 1 kilometer length is also there. There is no issue, right? Full form. Please, I mean, don't end up writing this way. Escape sequence. Escape sequence demo. Now, absolutely wrong approach. Never write it this. It's always recommended. No matter how lengthy the name is there is no issue. Write the full. Am I clear? Okay, after writing the class, next, fatafat. Open the curly braces. Within the pair of curly braces, what do I do, sir? Next, start the public static void main string array of args. This is called array. This square bracket is called array. What is array? We don't know. There is a dedicated topic will come called. There is a dedicated topic will be there called. Array, louder. Array will come. Not now. Okay, na? And wait for a few days. Probably after that looping statement and all. Once you understand object orientation, then we'll talk about arrays. I mean, I'll tell you. See, these are topics which will come in future for sure, and thorough programming will happen. Have to wait for a few days. Shall I proceed? Okay, sir. Now, within this method, next, open the curly braces for main. Why am I calling main is a method? Because it has parentheses. Parentheses. Anything which has parentheses is nothing but a method. Agree? Am I clear? Then I want to print something. Say system.out.print or print again. We'll see based on our text we will proceed. Say first line. As of now, what do I want? I'll save it. Okay, now. Done. As of now, I just want to compile and execute. Fatafat, can you please tell me? Shall I? Okay, sir. What is the way to compile? Java C print demo.java. Am I right? Oh, this time, whatever is our file name dot Java, hit enter. If compilation is successful, then execute Java escape sequences demo and hit enter. This is something we know what is happening very well. Agree? Okay, sir. Now the point is, if I need to write control plus D is a shortcut to copy the current line, duplicate the current line. I'm not typing whole thing. See, with me, you have to be a little lazy. Being a lazy person, I avoid typing everywhere. If you see Control C, Control V, Control D, I'll be keep doing it. And I expect you also to do it. Agree? Provided first time you wrote it correctly. If there is a mistake, say for example, rather than the full stop, you wrote a comma and you say Control D, every line comma will be there, guys. Okay, na? So let's not make that mistake. Here I'm saying second line. Agree? Now, I have saved it. Shall I clear the screen and then compile and louder? Done. Coming on same line. Solution, what we have learned so far. Everybody faster respond in chat. What do I do? Now, use println at line number 6 or 7. Can you see that these line numbers? Line number 7, 6. I should use the line number 6. Very good. Everybody has to respond. 6. Done, sir. Sorry, my bad. Okay. What if I put the ln here also? Any problem? Additional line will come. There is no problem. That's all right. We have seen that example also. I'm not getting it. Apart from this, there is something else. There are few special symbols are there which have a special meaning, special task. They are nothing but called escape sequences. And rather, I mean, of course, if I compile and execute, we know what happens. Compilation is done, execution is also done. There is no confusion. Point is, rather than using print ln, after writing this first line, I want the control to be coming to the louder. After printing first line, I want control to be coming to the next line. For that, we should be using something called \n. Am I right? The moment you save it again and you go and compile, re-execute the code, you will find same impact. Are you getting my point? Everybody clear? Sir, one option. If you want to print and go to the next line, then you can do what? Use println method. One of the options. Or wherever you want new line to be coming, there you use the \n. Am I clear, everybody? Online folks, crystal clear? Faster. Everybody. Respond faster, guys. Fast. Okay, sir. Sir, what if by mistake, rather than this place, I give it here only? I can write anywhere, right? Within the pair of double quotes, I should write. Rule is clear. Within the pair of double quotes. Whatever combination we are trying within the pair of double quotes. I am not talking in entire program anywhere else apart from within the pair of double quotes. Am I clear? Everybody, what if I do it this way? Can anybody help me understand? So are you telling me, sir, first will be printed? After that you are telling? What are you telling after that? After first? Okay, wait a minute. Sir, are you telling first will be printed? Say for example, this is my output screen. Consider. After this, there is an output screen. Okay, na? Then what will happen? Sir, first will be printed as it is. Right after first, you are telling what? \n. This \n will do what? Bring the control to the next line. So somewhere here my control will come. Agree? After that, what are you telling? No, pay attention. After that, what? After that, you are telling there is a space. Online folks, I hope you are paying attention. After there is a space. So at next line, space, then line. Agree? And as of now, I'm in the line number 6. I'm using print method or println method? Print method. So after printing, I'll stay on the same line or I'll move to the next line. I'll stay on the same line. After printing, line followed by a space. Am I right? Right after this, next printing statement, what is that? Second line will start. Are you with me? Agree? Then it will say second line as it is. This is what my assumption with respect to the outcome. Am I right, everybody? Agree? This is how the outcome should come. As of now, I'll remove it because while compiling, this should not be part of our source code. Na? Whatever we have discussed, that will generate errors. So if you write anything outside the class, pair of double quotes, I mean, parent, this is the body of the class, which this is the end and this is the beginning. Anything you write within the pair of double curly braces of class should be there. Agree? So did I save? Now shall I? Next what? Compile, execute. Exactly same output is coming. Can you see? Space, line, without space, second line is coming. Are you with me? Okay, sir. So can I say this much is I understood? Now if I need, what will happen? This way, output. On first line, then space also will be printed on the first line. After printing space, you will move to the next line. Then at next line, you will print line without space. Second line will be printed. Second space line will be printed. Am I right? Shall we check it once again? Online folks, are you with me, guys? Crystal clear? Am I right? Absolutely correct. And actually, if you see, there is a spaces also. Then let me double click. See? See, after first, there is a space is also being counted here. Are you with me? Everything is happening as per the logic. We need to pay a little detailed attention. That's all. Am I clear? Shall I move next? Are you all comfortable with the println? Now the point is, I'll write a text in Notepad and you will help me. Sir, this is the way you should print. Okay, now? But rule is one. I mean, there is a condition. Let's play a game. I'll give a task. You will tell me how it should be written. And you will be writing inside your notebook. Only this one line. Which line? System.out.println. Rule is only one system.out.println should be used. Only one system.out.println should be used. In one system.out.println, I don't want multiple. First thing. Agree? In one only, you need to print what I am asking you to print. Say, I am, whatever is your name. I am writing my name. Okay, now? Hit enter. Next line, at next line, you will write, I am learning Java. At we stand for you solutions. Next line, I am enjoying it. Sorry, it. This is the text. You should be writing it, and I hope it's pretty much visible to all of you online folks. Let's get started. I am writing my name. You write your own name. In one single system.out.println state. No multiple system.out.println. Am I clear? Print or println, that you decide. Agree? There should not be any new line after I am enjoying it. There should not be any line before the I am, whatever is your name. Okay, I'll make it I am your name. Fast. And I want quick responses from the online folks. Before these people write, you should complete. I hope task is clear to everybody. Before I am your name, there is no new line. After I am enjoying it, there is no new line. And text will be coming like this. Space also needs to be considered. I want everything to be considered. Faster. 2 minutes of time is given to you guys. Only like why these people are not coming. Good. So you will be coming offline from Monday?
Yes, sir.
Faster, complete. Online folks, I'm waiting for your responses, please. Nothing is there?
Nothing is there. Nothing is there. Only space.
Space is there?
Only space.
Sure?
Sure.
Then don't you think that will come after space? Check. We will discuss. Very good. This is what I wanted to check. Oh, good. Thank you. Understood? This will be printed.
Yes, sir.
After that, you come to the next line. Then you are giving the next line. You start with.
We already told them only we have to print only one statement
This start with the.
without space.
I want. Getting my point? For me? Online folks, I'm waiting for responses fast. Only one person responded. Very good, Nilofer. I'll check it. Give me a moment. I understood that. Overwriting, I understood. Okay. 2 spaces are there. Correctly write it? No, not acceptable. PP. After backslash n, can you see there is a? Is it supposed to be there? This is the main task. You didn't understand? No, I'll discuss. No? Others, only one person responded. Others, fast. Before that, should be there. Space. चलिए. Others, Sanjay, Gopi, Suhas, Nagendra. Boys, what are you doing now? Very good, Nilofa. Shall I explain now? The point is, what you should be writing is, I am your name. I'll take only the first name. Okay. Then immediately you come to the next line, right? So rather than next line, you will type backslash n without space, neither before nor after. Am I clear? Okay. Then you said what? I am learning Java. Copy this. Lazy person, no. Then let me scroll it. Wait a minute. Why to scroll it? Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I am learning Java. After that, Once again, I'll come to the next line, \n, then at v stand for your solutions. Then once again, new line means another \n, and as it is, you copy it and don't do anything else. Save it. Agree? If everything is correct, things should work as per the plan. Am I right? If at all by mistake, because couple of people initially they have what they have done here, they have given a space. If you give a space over here, guys, focus after new line, unnecessary a space is, which is not a recommended. Am I right? Okay, sir. And if at all you give a space here, as of now, if I see double click on Arun, it is coming like this only. Getting my point? New, nothing should be required as it is. Shall I proceed now? I hope \n is absolutely clear to you. What does \n do? Brings the control to the next line. Write down about escape sequences. Center heading, escape sequences. Escape sequences. Very good, Nilofer. And others? Guys, you have to take active participation into the task given in the class. Whatever task I'm giving, I expect each one of you to actively participate. Then only you're gonna learn. If you sit back and relax, in interview also it will happen the same way. Escape sequences. Write down about escape sequences. Escape sequences are the group of characters. Group of characters are the group of characters which have special meaning to the Java. Special meaning to the Java. Group of characters which have special meaning to the Java. Group of characters which have special meaning to the Java. Which have special meaning to the Java. Which have special meaning to the Java. Am I clear? Agree? Next line. First, that is \n. Okay, this \/ you'll be able to find next to the enter button above the shift button. Okay, na? \/ means it is written in the previous. I mean, it start with the previous. Are you getting my point? This is \. If you write this way, this is a forward slash. Forward slash should not be used. \/ should be used. Okay. Okay, first is \n. \n stand for new line. New line. New line. Stand for new line. Agree? Done. Next, \t. Next is \t. \t. Used for a tab jump. A tab jump. A tab jump. A tab jump. TAB. Tab. Used for a tab jump. Used for a tab jump. In next line, right? Tab consists of 8 characters. Tab consists of 8 characters. Tab consists of 8 spaces, not characters. 8 spaces. Tab consists of 8 spaces. 8. EIGST 8. Done. Shall I proceed now? All of you are comfortable? Okay, let's get started. Done, sir. Code. Very good. Gopi, where is the code? Buddy, share, no? Oh, secrets, huh? Gopi? Okay, then. Now, the point is, if you pay attention, everything is written on the new line, right? Right now. Now, I don't want on the new line. Rather, I'm just reducing the font size, okay? Rather, I want it this way. Which way? This. Are you getting my point? Some bunch of spaces should be there between them. Okay, na? In Notepad is something else. We will see in our code. So what you should do, rather than wherever n is there, I'm saying T. Okay, before this line, I'll do one thing. I'll comment this line right now. Control K, control plus K to comment current line, comment current line, control plus K to comment current line, control plus K to comment current line. Then I'm writing system.out.print. Pay attention what I'm writing. Control plus K to comment current line. Now pay attention, I'm writing hi. Without space, I write backslash T. Without space, I'm writing backslash T. Then I'm writing hello and followed by a semicolon. Agree? Only one line is written. This line is anyway commented. This line will not be executed. System.out.print hi backslash T and hello. Are you clear? Okay, Gopi. Fine. Shall I clear the screen? And first compile. Then compilation. Then comes the execution. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8th one is here. Are you with me? So basically, pay attention. Backslash T means I need an adequate good amount of space between two words. Then backslash T will be used for alignment purpose. Are you with me? Now I have a task for you. Pay attention what you should be doing is. Are you getting my point? What I'm saying? First print I am your name. Agree? Come to the next line. Take a tab jump. Then print this. Then after printing I am learning Java. Come to the next line. Take 2 tab jump this time. How many? 2 tab jump. Then print at V stand for your solution. After that you come to the next line. This time 3 tab jump and view this. Start. Everybody. Online folks, I want each and everybody to complete the task in the class, whichever given. And Gopi, even if you're typing in VS Code, which I don't recommend, man, there are also text editors are there. You can use Sublime. I'll give you the names. There are many tools are there called Sublime. Sublime, Bracket is there. And even Notepad++ is there for Mac as well, which I highly encourage you to use. Okay, anyways, wherever you are typing the code, I don't care. Please, after completing, ensure to chat. Paste it in the chat group. Everybody should follow that. Suhas, Sanjay, Gopi, Sai Preeti, no responses today at all. Edit Plus is also recommended, man. Very, very good. IBM free tool it is. Definitely you can use it. People, those who are not responding at all, request you to respond, please. Afzal Sheikh, Suhas, Priya, absolutely no response. Nasreen, absolutely no response. Nikita, Lakshmi. Very good, Nilofer. Let me check. Backslash and backslash. Perfect, perfect. Very good, very good. Beautiful. Wonderful, Nilofer. Good job. Claps to you. Gopi Chan, let me check for you, buddy. I believe this is the previous code you shared. Okay. Share me only this one line, system.out.print. That's all. Good job, Nilofer. Thank you. Here, anybody completed? Good. Show me. Good. Perfect. Now, this time there is no mistake, right? Good. Very good, madam. Absolutely correct. Yeah, show me both. Without coming to the next one, you are taking a jump, huh? And now only one println should be used. Arey yaar, you change the basic rule only the, huh? Game rule remains same. You should come to the next line, then you should take a tab jump. Same here. Absolutely not getting the point. No. Listen carefully what is happening. I'll explain, don't worry, have a seat. Same here, no. You are not coming to the next line. In the same line, it will be printing, no? Remember what is happening in the output. See, after printing, I am your name. First, what you should do, you come to the next line. In order to come to the next line, what you should use? Backslash n. After backslash n, are you taking how many tab jump you are taking? One. So what you should use? One backslash t. So here you will write I am your name. After that, you will write backslash n to come to the next line. Then you'll write one backslash t to take one jump. Then you'll write I am learning Java. Then do you want to come to next line once again? Yes. Then you'll write one backslash and how many jump this time? Two. So you'll write one backslash, two backslash t. Then at least 10 for your solution. Then you again come to the next line, one backslash n. How many jump this time? Three. So 3 backslash t. Am I right? Perfect. This sum is accurate. Perfect. Now correct, man? Good. I'm happy. Okay, we'll see that. Done? Clear now? Okay, online folks. Apart from Nilofer and Gopi, others. Movie is going on, huh? Hello. What's happening? Movie is going on. You are here to just watch what is happening. You are not going to take participation into the discussion, guys. Others, guys, there is no point you simply sit and listen to the class unless you take participation. And trust me, especially to all the online students, I'm requesting, if you make mistake, that's great, no problem, nothing wrong in that. If you make mistakes, I'll correct you. I'll not shout you, oh, you are making mistakes. Are you joined the course because you didn't know all these things. You are here to learn things, and while learning, everybody make mistake. Agree? It's not like that from the day when you will become expert. It's okay if you make mistake, absolutely acceptable, no problem. Point is, if you make mistakes, I'll correct here. Mistakes will happen when you try to attempt. When you try to attempt, if mistakes happens, I correct you. If there is no mistake, great. If you're not even trying it, then wish you all the best. You may end up making mistakes in interview or in job. Why? Then what is the point of attending the course? If you're attending course, ensure you take participation into the discussion, whatever is happening. And if you are in a mode that, anyway, demo classes are happening. Let me remind you, we are doing proper programming. We are not doing time pass over here. Agree? Every single day, there is some learning is happening. Agree? And wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day. Am I? Tomorrow is the last demo session. Tomorrow itself, there is a commitment I told, right? Remember what? When I started the first class, what was the build-up I gave? I'll write the code. You will tell, will it compile or not? If it compile, if error is there, what is the error? If it compiles successfully, then what is the output? Tomorrow is the day. People, those who are paying attention, those who are serious about the career, for them, very, very important classes are going. Those who are having fun mood, still they believe that life is for fun, enjoy. Their college is still not over. Wait for a few months. After that, all the relatives will start asking, what's going on? Then they'll wake up. By that time, you already got placed. Right? And we want such people not to take much seriously these classes. Reason? Competition will be more. Let these people sleep. We will learn. We will get placed. Agree? Those who are not taking participation, wish you all the best. Enjoy. Life is a fun game. Automatically, job will come to you. You don't do anything. Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos, all the people will come to your house with a plate of puja thali, nariyal, everything, coconut will be there. They'll put a tilak on your head, give one garland on your head. They'll give you crores of package without doing anything. You don't take participation, especially online folks. Chaliye. Shall we start? Next. One short, this time I'll not give a bigger task like this. I'll give you one small little activity. Two lines. See, one line, then two line. Are you with me? After Java, two lines, one tab jump, next line, to learn. And you don't need to write system.out.println, write SOP, short form is fine for me. You focus on the main thing, guys. System.out.println remains same. All of you online folks, I want each and everybody to take active participation without fail. Please, unless you try, you will not learn it, guys. Done? Wow, very good. Wow, accurate, brilliant. What's your name? Good job. You also done, buddy? Arey, yeah, you guys are super fast. Huh? Perfectly done. Perfect. Perfect. Good job, man. Good job. Super. Perfect. Although I believe these are not spaces. This is the way you write. Okay. Anybody? Yes, Madam Kirti, right? Sure, good. Ah, space is there, no? Akka. Perfect. Space is there or not there? This one. Not there. This is the way you write. It's okay. Little issues are there. Just check it. Perfect. Space is not there, I believe. Okay, take your time, take your time, take your time. Online folks, faster. Very good, Sanjay. One backslash or double backslash, man. Two line jump is there, no? I mean, two line you will go, no? Nilofer, first backslash T will take you the first. Okay, this is a little issue is there. I'll get back to you. Check what will happen. Backslash T will take the jump on the first line itself. Then you move two lines. Then fun will start from the first point itself. Are you getting my point? Fun and Nilofer? I'll explain to you once again practically. Sanjay buddy, after Java two line jump is there, no? Only one slash and backslash is not recommended, guys. Try. Others. Others, are you even trying? Sanjay, correct it and send it again. Nilofer, correct it and send it again. Show me you're the only one. No? Good, perfect. Understanding also. Agree, na? All of you. Getting the point as well? Yeah? Okay. Perfect. Chalo. So, couple of people have written. I'll discuss that part. Okay. Pay attention. Suppose, what is the text by the way? Java fun to learn. By the way, is it really fun to learn or I'm just simply saying it? Are you enjoying it or is it becoming too complicated for you? See, I'll tell you fact. As of now, I'm talking within the double quote form. Whatever combinations are there, they are between the double quotes. I'll start adding complexity and ensuring that comfort zone will be there with you. Every topic, not just this topic. Even when we are at the end of your classes, when all the things will be there in one place, advanced level programming, when we are doing it, that time also I'll ensure whatever comfort zone is there today, that remains. Am I clear? Provided you listen to me what I'm saying, you are following instructions, you are being regular to the classes, there is no issue. I'll take care about it. Is that okay? Now listen, pay attention. What I'm trying to say, Java fun to learn, right? Let me write first Java fun to learn. Am I right? This is exactly what is there. Learn. Done? Okay, sir. First thing what you are telling, come take two line jump, right? 1 and 2. So two line jump means backslash n 1, sorry. First backslash n, second backslash n. Then you say one tab jump. Then one tab jump. And this additional space, not required. Are you with me? Everybody able to understand what I'm trying to explain you guys? Able to understand? Java, then one line jump, backslash n, one line jump, then another line jump, then you said one tab jump, and fun is on the line. After fun, you say come to the next line. Okay, backslash n, and this space is not required because this is starting right from the first point. Done, sir. After that, no, that's it. That is the task. Okay, good. Suhas, perfect. Gopi, good job. I need faster response, Suhas, Gopi. You have to be a little proactive, but good, acceptable. Very good. We are doing perfect. Shall I just print it once? Let's see whether does it really work that way or not. Done. By the way, one of the student has written this as a backslash t and this as a backslash n. In this case, what is happening? Pay attention. Java is printed on the first line. Then you have taken a jump of one tab on the same first line. After that, you said what? Jump 2 lines. Agree? And then fun will start from the first point of the third line. First point of the third line. Are you with me? Shall we check it? Perfect. Agree? Nilofer, clear? Perfect. Now corrected. But are you clear with the concept? Good job. And it's okay. See, if you're anybody, not just offline or online people, for me, everybody is same. If anybody making mistake, it's okay. No problem. I highly encourage you make mistakes. If you make mistakes, then only I'll correct it. How will I get to know where you are making mistakes or not? You make mistakes, I'll correct it. There is no problem. And mark my words, it's not these mistakes, whatever are happening, these are at initial days only happens. After third week or something, these you will become pro. I will give that many combinations that you will become pro into that. The only thing is what? We should practice. Anything, any concept comes or anything. Say, for example, learning bicycle. When we started learning bicycle in our school days, did we learn it the first attempt only? We fall down so many times, right? But we kept on trying. We kept on practicing it. And I mean, at least I'm sure boys can relate with me. After some time, you became so pro that you don't even need to hold the handle. Without holding handle, also you can drive. Agree, na? I mean, we guys do this kind of masti. Girls are pretty sincere. They like, I mean, they ride very carefully. Have you guys tried? Yes or no? Bike also tried without holding the handle. Yes or no? Else try. Mandatory activity. I'll check tomorrow. Okay, na? And wheelie, have you done it? Pakka. Sure. How about girls? Scooty, one tire up. Done it? Don't even try. These people are crazy. You drive safely. Okay. Chaliye, shall move to the next line. Next combination. Backslash t. Did you write the detail about it? Backslash t. Wrote it down? Okay, sir. Just a minute. Okay, I'll show you something interesting. You need to, I mean, see, every time if I tell you what is the big deal, this time I'll show you the combinations and I expect you to guess the output. I mean, next whatever escape sequence I'm going to explain you, I expect you to predict the output. Can you give a try at least? If you can't do it, I'll explain, yaar. What's the big deal? Will you try? Online folks, are you ready? Faster. Shall we start? Everybody. Slow processors. Everybody fast. Shall we start? Hardly couple of people are responding. Others? PVR movie is going on, huh? What is the latest movie going on in market? Latest big hit was Animal only. Am I right? After that, any other big movie came? Animal movie is going on. And an animal is standing next to the board, huh? Sai Preeti is saying yes. Chali, I'll show you something very important. Pay attention. Hey, without space. Hey, and next sequence is backslash R. Lakshmi, yes. If you have a concern, please unmute, Lakshmi. Lakshmi, unmute. If you have a concern, feel free to unmute, Lakshmi. What is written? Hey, 3 characters, backslash R, then 2 characters. Hi. Agree? Shall I save it? I have saved it. Okay, compilation is also done. Let me execute and check what is coming. Something is coming. What? Pay attention to that. What is the spelling printed? Online folks respond. H-I-Y. Okay. Wait. First attempt, you will not get the right thing. I'll give you combination. Then you'll start. You know? Say for example. What is it written? Hello, backslash R, then user. Am I right? User row. Okay. Able to predict the what is happening? Let me add few more things. Shall I? Backslash R. Nowhere I'm giving space anything. Okay, na? Backslash R. Can you predict B Y E D? Online. Shabash. Very good. Online folks, let me see how many of you can predict. One has already predicted. Others respond. All of you. B Y E D. I mean, this is what I expected from you. If you can attempt, even if it is right or wrong, second, if you can think your logic, that's more than enough. If your answer is correct, congratulations, you are learning right way. Now you will tell what backslash R does. Whatever is written after backslash R, it takes that and put it at the first place of the same line. Am I clear? See, what is it written? Goodbye. How many characters are there? 4. If I say BYE is written after backslash R, so these 3 characters will be put at the beginning. And whatever text is there, at those places or at those places, they will be overridden. Right? Overwriting will happen. Remaining remains as it is. Sir, what if I say after by I put something, say, on exclamatory symbol? Now can you predict the output? Output will be B by E exclamatory because D also will be overridden. Are you with me? Shall I try? Everybody faster. Very good. Guys, those who are responding, thank you very much. Am I correct? Everybody. Okay, in that case, forget about this exclamatory symbol. Can I say dot, 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 3 dots? Now output tell me, fatafat. B by E dot, dot, dot. Because initially 4 characters are written. After that, what you said, sir, total 6 characters you are giving. So initial 4 will be written and remaining 2 as it is will be pasted. Are you with me? Everybody, online folks, crystal clear? No rocket science? Very complicated Java? Everything will be super easy. Write down about backslash R. Only one person is crystal clear. How about others? What's happening, online folks? Every class you have to be equally active. Backslash R. Return carriage. Return. Wait. I'll write down. Wait. This is return carriage. Return carriage. What does it do? Take it and return to the first position. Whatever. Now next line, write down. Whatever text written after backslash R, whatever text written after backslash R will be returned to the initial point. Whatever text written after backslash R will be returned to the initial point of the same line. Will be returned to the initial point of the same line. Will be returned initial point of the same line. After full stop, if already any text is written, if already any text is written, then if already any text is written, then that will be overwrite written. That will be replaced. That will be replaced. Simple word. That will be replaced. That will be replaced. That will be replaced. Done? Shall I move to the next one, guys? That will be replaced. Online folks, are you all comfortable? Quick confirmation, please. Faster, everybody. Fast. Fast, fast, fast. Hardly few people are responding. Sai Preeti, I expect you to be more active as yesterday. Okay? See, if you make mistakes, nobody gonna shout at you, nobody gonna disrespect you. Those who are not coming from the day one, let me tell you, if you are not comfortable or you're giving wrong answer, or if you ask a doubt, not once or twice, you ask 100 times, I'll explain with the same interest. I'll not get pissed off if you are asking doubts again and again. I'll be more happy if you are asking doubts. Reason, my approach or of thinking or my philosophy says, if somebody is asking a doubt, that means that person is actually paying attention, trying to understand something, but stuck somewhere. Or there is some confusion is there is some gap is there, that's the reason that person is asking. That person is interested to learn, but there is some obstacle. And it's my responsibility to fix that gap and make the person understand. Agree? If somebody is not asking doubt, then two scenarios. That person is understanding everything, or that person has no idea what is happening. Now you decide what is happening with you. I humbly request, if you have a doubt, not once, twice, n number of times you ask, I'll be super happy. I'll tell you, I'll be excited to explain. Not once or twice, any number of times. You don't hesitate to ask, since ultimately you are here to build your career, guys. And half knowledge is worse than no knowledge. Don't go with the half knowledge. Every single class, all the combinations, ask there. Am I clear? Online folks, is that clear to all of you? Okay. So shall I move to the next one? Agree? Okay, sir. Next combination, what I'm going to explain. Pay attention now. Very important and one of the popular interview question from today's topic. Write down the question and see. Question is nothing much. See, task is given that you should print hello world. Wait a minute. Focus. Say I am asking you to print hello world. Are you comfortable printing it? Come on. Everybody can do it. Task is not this. Task is, if I ask you to write, you should write hello world within the pair of double quotes. What you should do? You should write hello world within the pair of double quotes. Write down one SOP, just SOP, system.out.println, no need. Short form of SOP. You tell me, how do I print hello world in double quotes on console screen? Online folks, give a try and respond in chat. If you give wrong answers, no problem. Absolutely acceptable. Give a try fast. Answer should be coming, output should be coming, hello world in double quotes. Give a try. Done? All right, let it be wrong. It's okay. Give me. Okay, I understood. Thank you. Done, buddy? Good. We'll see. Very good. 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 Kirti, any idea? Any doubt? Hmm. Mhm. If you're getting doubt, that's really good. You're in the right track. But although what you wrote, we will discuss that. I mean, who am I to tell it is correct or incorrect? Okay, Sanjay has responded, Suhas has responded, and majority of us are also telling the same thing. Put double quotes. Am I right? Am I right? Shaliya bhai. Very good, Sai Preeti. This is what I expect, Sai Preeti. You just try, whether right or wrong, who cares? Shall we start? Now the point is, pay attention. Okay. By the way, yesterday in the group, I have given one document link. Are you able to access that? Would you able to find the program in that? Able to practice now? So on daily basis, I'll be giving you these things where you can practice. Okay. Shall I proceed? And with semicolon, bro. Okay, Suhas. Gopi is telling Suhas or Sanjay. Good. Thank you. Becomes compiler. Good. Good. Shall I proceed now? The point is, you are telling me that I should print hello world. If I print it this way, there is no double quotes coming because whatever is there within the double quotes, that gets printed. So put one more pair here and one more pair here. Story over. Save it. Agree? And clear the screen and let's compile. 1, 2, boom. What do you think? Every time things will work as per the plan? Hi, welcome to Java. Some issues will be there. We will fix it. 5 minutes. Easy thing is there. I expect you to read the errors along with me once. How many errors are there coming? First of all, wait a minute. Total, how many errors are coming? Array. Total, how many errors are coming? Respond in chat fast. Total, how many errors are coming? Sanjay, I'm highlighting, buddy. Pay attention, no? Screen is visible, na? Respond, everybody. What's wrong with you? Faster. Hey. By the way, am I asking too much? If I ask you to respond? Guys, if you show interest, then only you'll be able to enjoy. Total, it is showing 4 errors, guys. How come you are saying 3 errors? See, one error is this one. Second error. Third error. Fourth error. Huh? Half screen is visible. Huh? Oh, sorry, buddy. Now visible? Now is it visible? I mean, I'm expecting you to count this error. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Anyways, no problem. Let's not get into it. Shall I explain first why it is happening, why the error is coming? Then we'll discuss the error part. Okay, na? Chaliye. The point is, see, whenever you write anything within the print or println method, may I? Okay. Whenever you write anything within the print or println method, you must write within the pair of double quotes. Why double quotes, Anna? Why pair of parentheses? Why pair of double quotes? Why always you're talking pair of semicolon? Can you see? Pair of curly braces. See? Can you see this? This error is coming. Why? Wait a minute. How many errors are coming? Let me see that. This time it should see. Yeah, 3 errors are coming. Oh, that's why people were saying 3 errors, huh? Oh, you might be typing at your end. Now, correctly saying 3 errors are coming. One additional curly brace was there, that was another error. Pay attention. Point is, if you pay attention. For class, there are 2 curly braces, opening, closing. For main method, opening, closing. For this system.print method, opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis. If I am printing something within opening double quotes and closing double quotes. See, in screen, it is not really visible this way, but it should be written this way, na? Are you getting my point? Opening quotes, closing quotes, that's how it is. Point is, Pay attention now. Ayyo, sorry. When you write it this way, how does compiler treat it? Pay attention. System.print. Within the this parenthesis, I start. You are saying, okay. First double quote, from here start reading. From here start reading. Okay, sir. Till how long? Unless you get the closing double quotes. Opening double quotes is the point from where you should start taking and printing it. Till how long you should take? Unless the closing double quotes come. Are you getting my point, everybody? Then compiler says, okay, I'll start reading from the opening double quotes from this point. From this particular point. I'll start reading from here. How long should I read? Till the closing double quotes comes. Story over. In between opening and these two double quotes, what did you give? Nothing. What do I need to print? Nothing. Chalo, that is also fine. No problem. You are telling print nothing. Chalo, fine. After that, what are you telling? Oh, hello world. Compiler is like, don't tell me hello and all. Okay. Whatever is this, why are you writing it? If you need to print something, you should write in double quotes within the pair of opening and closing double quotes. Where is the opening double quote for this? Because compiler treated what? Pay attention. Compiler treated what? This first one is the opening. This one. If I need to tell, wait a minute here. I would prefer to use okay. Say compiler said this one is the first opening part. Agree? Blue color is the opening part, right? And compiler also considered that this red color is the closing part. If opening closing both are done, then whatever you are writing this much, what does it mean? Unnecessary things you are giving, which compiler cannot able to decode or understand. As per compiler, opening and closing are over. Are you getting my point? Now read the errors. Read the errors very carefully along with me. I'll clear this everything. Now please read with me. First error. What is this? This is the name of the class. Can you see? Escape sequences demo.java :7 means line number 7 is the one where is some issue is there. Line number 7. Can you see this line? Okay, sir. What is the problem it is saying? It is saying error. Closing parenthesis expected. Sorry, closing parenthesis expected. Why? Reason. Where exactly? At this place of H. Can you see this? At this place of H, it is expecting what? Closing parenthesis. Reason. Compiler treated what? This as the opening. This as the closing. After this, what am I expecting? Closing parenthesis. Are you connecting with the compiler? What compiler is reading? Are you connecting? Yes. Because as per compiler, if you wanted me to print something, you would have given where within the pair of opening and closing double quotes. After that, what am I expecting? Closing parenthesis. Are you with me, everybody? Agree? Okay, sir. This is clear. Agree? And then what are you telling? Next error is not a statement. Whatever you are writing, all this is a not a statement. I cannot understand. Not a statement means I am not able to understand what is it. It is not a statement at all. Are you getting my point? Okay, sir. Then you are telling what? Semicolon. Because at this position, termination should be there. Rather, whatever you are writing, this is not a statement. At this position, what I am expecting? After closing parenthesis, I am expecting a semicolon. That is not. Are you with me? Sir, how do I print the double quotes? Question remains same. One more pair of parentheses. Let's write, sir. One more opening. One more closing. Okay, parentheses. Guys, that is not the way. Don't worry, you try all of them. We are running out of time. Almost 1 p.m. I'll tell you the solution directly. Pay attention. What is the solution? Solution is simple. Point is, as per our understanding, this one which is highlighted is the opening. And this one, what is this? This is not the closing double quotes. As per our understanding, this is the text which should be printed on the console. Agree? But the coincidence is this double quotes, compiler is treating as a closing double quotes. Agree? We should tell Anna, we do agree this double quotes has a special meaning for you. That is a closing double quote. That's why you are treating it. Don't treat it. Treat it as a normal text which you need to print it. Whatever special meaning is there, double quotes, you are treating as closing double quotes. Don't treat it as a closing double quotes. Just blindly print it on the console. Are you getting my point? This is what I am trying to tell to the compiler. Are you getting my point? First is the opening. I do agree. Second one, don't consider as a closing. Just blindly print it. You don't worry about the special meaning of the double quote. This one. Are you with me? So I am saying before this, before second double quotes, I say backslash. Are you with me? That means ignore the special meaning of the next whatever is coming. Are you with me? Online folks. Okay, over here. Can I say this one is the actually closing for me? And this one I want to print. Right? So before this closing. Are you getting my point? So pay attention now. Everybody, please focus. Can I say, sir, this is the opening. This is the closing. Agree? Agree? As per our understanding, this is opening and this is closing. And as per our understanding itself, this entire thing has no special meaning. Because see, if you write only double quotes, that has a special meaning. If I say slash double quotes, just print double quotes. Don't do any special meaning. Are you getting my point? Am I clear? Similarly here, this double quotes, I say consider as a normal double quotes. Just print it. Don't consider as a closing double quotes or opening double quotes. Are you with me? If I save it, this now. Are you with me? If I save now and try to execute, what happens? Let's check now. All we need to do is to Control Z, save, remove this, execute. Arey yaar. Able to understand anybody? Has any issue? Understood? Point is first opening, last one closing. In between that, if any double quotes are coming, just before that double quotes, put a backslash. That's the simple game. One of the most popular interview question. This one, at a fresher level, in a beginning, when initial discussion of interview start face to face, can you write me a hello world program? Everybody will write. No, within double quotes. 99% of candidates end up making double the double quotes mistake. What many of us have done it. Fine. Now onwards, we should not make the same mistake. Are you with me? If you need to print double quotes once again, put a backslash before that. That's all. Can you remember? Make a note of it. This one line you write down, that would be enough for you, right? So ensure those of you have been into the class, please ensure to mark your attendance without fail. And tomorrow we'll start the most important topic, that is data types in Java. One of the very important topic. Do not miss tomorrow's class. Extremely important it is. One. Secondly, pay attention. Today's coupon code for the discount is hash print. Hash print is done yesterday, na? Escape. What is the yesterday? Other than hash print. Print is the today's code, and discount will be now 200 rupees. Day by day it is reducing. Hash print. Okay. Ensure you come to the tomorrow session. Tomorrow is the probably last demo session. For you, it's a demo session. For me, regular classes are anyway going on from the moment I started the batch, right? Same dedication is there. Same will be there till the end of the batch. No need to worry about it. Agree? So see you tomorrow, guys. Online folks, I hope you enjoyed. You can respond in chat, whatever is your experience so far. And tomorrow's session is the most important. Please don't miss it. Extremely important. And tomorrow we will gain a confidence up to a level where we can think, we can analyze the code like a compiler. We will check whether any error is there. We will gain the confidence tomorrow. Super important topic tomorrow. Don't miss it. See you tomorrow, 11 a.m. sharp at the same place, in the same meeting. Okay? Till then, tada. Bye-bye. Namaskar. See you tomorrow. Mark your attendance. Screen will be shared.